Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you my first unboxing of the Dark Curse. This is a 3-monthly interval subscription box where you have to crack a code to unlock the prize and hopefully beat the curse. Each month a box is filled with witchy vibe goodies and it's £20 a month including postage. I will put all the links in the description for you to check out Little Boutique and the subscription boxes that you can purchase from them. Let's get it open and see what's inside. Goodies! So let's dive straight in. So I've got two, I'm not sure what they are, incense sticks. Not sure what the smell is, but they smell good. Smell a bit minty. Oh. Looks like a necklace. Oh, that's pretty. So it's an acrylic spider web with a little dangling spider. The next item I'm going to pull out is this one, and it looks like a tote bag. God, I'm getting really like incense shop smells right now. Palmistry, and then it's got all of the palmistry vibe stuff. I haven't got a clue of palmistry. I'm not going to pretend I do. But it's a very cute tote bag. And I could use that for shopping if I ever remember to take a shopping bag with me. So the next item I'm going to pull out is this candle. Who doesn't love that was close? A candle. Oh, it doesn't have a smell. It must be them incense sticks. They're strong. Yeah, why am I smelling it again? I just like smelling things. I'm such a weirdo. There is a pin badge. And it... Oh, what is wrong with me? It's a little cauldron with a skull on it. That's cute. I need to stop saying that word. No more. I've worked out what the smell is. It's right next to my nose. Kind of. It's lavender. I personally am not a fan of lavender. So I'll give this to my dad. I'm assuming these are going to be like clues maybe to the curse thing. But we will find out. So I think this is like quartz and what's that place in Minecraft? Nether? The Nether stone? I can't remember. Nether rock. I'm not sure. I could be completely wrong. As I said, I like witchy stuff, but I am not a practicing witch. I do not know really anything about these sort of things. Pull this one out. It's a little bag. I wonder what the hell that was then. I proper crapped myself. It's a little vial. What's in it? I do not know. Whoa! I think that's leaked. That may have leaked. Because the cork is really oily and there's not a lot in there. Yeah. Yeah, that's leaked. I'll find out in a second what that is. That is what... It's like a minty smell. I'm not keen on that. But let's continue. Zena cards, ESP. If I've pronounced anything wrong, I'm very sorry. So there's just like a deck of cards in here with spider webs printed on the back. Yeah, they're cute, but I'm not really into this. So if anyone is, make sure that you comment down below and I will give this away. My nose is really itchy from the oil. And I did stop the video because the smell is so strong, it's making my nose itch. So all that's left is a scroll and the information sheet. Oh my god. Information on how much everything has cost and how much you've spent, which I absolutely love. So let's open this and see what this is all about. Do you have what it takes to break the curse? Break the curse to win your prize. Submit your answers to info@alternativesubscriptions.com. Test your mind, clairvoyance or telepathy. How to prove your ESP. Your future is written in the lines. How many paths will you find? Stones are used in many spells. How many you find, your answer it tells. I'm really bad at this. I need to do those cards. Save that for another day. But that was the Dark Curse unboxing. It's a cute box. Personally, it's not my kind of thing. But if you are into riddles and witchcraft, then I would definitely recommend getting it, because what have you got to lose? You're getting £35 worth for £20, and you get the enjoyment of the riddle as well, and a prize, which I'm not entirely sure what the prize is, but I do love the necklace. I think that's adorable, and the badge is really cute, and I would definitely use the tote bag. But everything else, oh, and the crystals, look at them, they will go on my coffin shelf, my curiosity shelf. So yeah, no, it's a cute box, just not personally for me. I definitely preferred the trick or treat box, but that is part and parcel of subscription boxes, so it's all about the mystery. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you subscribe, and if you already are a subscriber, thank you so much. Take care of yourselves and don't forget to stay spooky.